Consumer education makes good sense at every stage of life. National Consumer Protection Week is March 7th through the 13th and is a good time for everyone to learn about consumer fraud and scams. Fairfax County will join other federal, state, and local government agencies and national consumer advocacy organizations to highlight consumer education efforts across the nation. Seminars and workshops sponsored by Fairfax County's Consumer Affairs Branch will focus on information to help you get the most for your money, whether you're trying to stretch your paycheck, improve your credit history, or tell the difference between a real deal and a potentially fraudulent product or service. Visit Consumer Central on the county's website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov for information about Consumer Protection Week, or stop by the Consumer Affairs Branch at the Fairfax County Government Center, located at 12,000 Government Center Parkway, Suite 433.